I was going together.
In this video, I am going to talk about how to construct simple Mandarin sentences using simple Mandarin expressions. To express about ourselves, we use the word 我, which means I or me. Then 你, which means you. And finally, we use the word 他, which can mean either he or she. Now let's start by adding feelings into our sentences. By adding 开心, which means happy, to 我, it becomes 我开心, which means I am happy. Now when we add 开心 to 你, it becomes 你开心, which means you are happy. So in the same way, when we add 开心 to 他, it becomes 他开心, which would mean he or she is happy. Now let's try another one. By adding 妒忌, which means jealous, to 我, it becomes 我妒忌, which means I am jealous. And if we add 妒忌 to 你, it becomes 你妒忌, which would mean you are jealous. Now when we add 妒忌 to 他, it becomes 他妒忌, which would mean he or she is jealous. Now let's try one last one before we move on to the next section. Now let's add the word 开朗, which means cheerful, to all of them. The first sentence 我开朗 means I am cheerful. The second sentence 你开朗 means you are cheerful. And the third sentence 他开朗 means he or she is cheerful. I'm sure you can see a pattern by now. Just add any feeling or emotions into 我, 你, 他, and they'll work the same. And the best thing is, if you want to turn the sentence into a question, all we have to do is add 吗 to the end of the sentence. So when you add 吗 to 我开心, it becomes 我开心吗? Which means you are asking, am I happy? Similarly, when you add 吗 to 你妒忌, becomes 你妒忌吗 means are you jealous? And 他开朗吗 means is he or she cheerful? We can also add the word 不 between the person and the feeling. For example, 我不开心, which means I am not happy. Or 你不妒忌 means you are not jealous. And also 他不开朗 means he or she is not cheerful. And again, if we want to change these sentences into questions, we just add 吗 to the end of the sentence. Like this, 我不开心吗 means am I not happy? 你不妒忌吗 would mean are you not jealous? And 他不开朗吗 means is he or she not cheerful? That's all for today. I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.
Please like and subscribe.